Understand English but struggle to speak it? Isn't this the problem with all of us? We all can understand English, we can read English, we can also write in English, but we struggle to actually speak it. And let me tell you, I am no different. Even after being able to understand, read, and write in English, I also sometimes struggle to speak it. I won't say always, but yes, sometimes I do. Especially, so all in all, I have come up with 3 tips for you along with a bonus tip at the end. So don't go anywhere and watch the video up to the very end. Alright? Hi, my name is Soumya and welcome back to my channel. Let's chat and learn, because the more you chat, the more you learn. First of all, I want to tell you that I am no English language expert, but yes, I have been teaching English for almost 5 years now, so I guess I am eligible to make a video on this. And believe it or not, I have also faced this problem in my life. I believe learning a language is a journey. Every day you learn something new, every day you make mistakes, you rectify them, you learn from your mistakes, but you can never learn all of it. In fact, every 2 hours a new word is added to the dictionary. Even if you want, you can't learn all of it, isn't it? Agree or not? Okay, so now let's come back to the topic. So why is it that we are able to understand English but struggle to speak it? I think one of the substantial reasons behind it, one of the main reasons behind it is that we're not used to it. Yes, simple. We are not used to speaking in English in our daily lives. Tell me how often you speak in English at your home. I guess those would be rare moments, right? And the second thing is that we are too busy in translating things into our brain that we actually forget to speak. The question that she asked me wasn't the present continuous tense, but what I want to tell her happened in the past. So I should be using past continuous tense. Yes. The past continuous tense is, it's a subject plus was, were, plus ing and object. Yes. Hello? Where are you? This is what happens to us every time when we try to translate everything into our brain. So what you have to do is you need to stop doing it right now. And now comes the solution part. So let's see some tips and tricks that you can follow to tackle this problem. So tip number 1 is talk to yourself. Now I know a lot of people say that in order to learn English, you should start talking to yourself. But how are we going to do that? It's kind of boring. Like, what should we talk to ourselves? So I have come up with a trick that will help you practice this talk to yourself thing better. All you have to do is talk to yourself about everything that you do using simple, basic English sentences. Yes. You see, we do a lot of things during the day, right? From getting up in the morning to going to bed at night, numerous things we do, isn't it? How about we narrate those things using simple and basic English sentences? For example, when you get up in the morning, you can say to yourself, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I think I should get up. But it's Sunday, it's a weekend, so maybe I will sleep for 30 more minutes. Isn't it? Do you think this English is tough? No, it's really not. After getting up, you can again start talking to yourself like, now I feel hungry. Maybe I should make myself some breakfast. Let's see what I can cook. Maybe I should make myself a cup of coffee or maybe a cup of tea. I should also have some boiled eggs because eggs are good for health. Do you think this English is tough? No, it's really not. It's just we're not used to it, and that is why we feel this English is tough for us. And I'm not asking you to make those big and tough sentences in English. You have to speak English using simple English sentences. And we all know this much English since kindergarten. It's just a kind of mental blockage that kind of stops you from speaking. But believe me, your brain is like a muscle which can can become stronger with practice and exercise. So promise me that you're gonna try doing it, that you are going to speak to yourself in English about everything that you do using simple sentences. And initially, if you are not comfortable doing it all the time, then dedicate just 1 hour to this practice. So you can be like, okay, now for this 1 hour I will be talking to myself in English about everything that I do. That's it. Just try doing it just for 1 hour, but do it. It will really help you, because it did help me a lot. So tip number 2 is maintain a diary. So you see, if this idea of talking to yourself about things is totally new to you, or if you have never tried anything like this before, then initially you might face some difficulties. For example, how to say this in English, how to say that in English. Oh my god, I don't know how to form this sentence in English. Problems like this might occur. So here comes to your rescue a diary. So maintaining a diary will be of great help. So when you are stuck, what you have to do is go to Google Baba. Google has the solution for everything. So there you can search the English meaning of the word that you don't know how to say in English. And not only that, on internet you will find so many related words, sentences and phrases that will help you with your daily English speaking practice. Yes, so it will be great if you make a collection of those words in your diary or in your PC or laptop, whatever suits you, because these are going to be the words that you will need every day. Yes. Or in case if you want me to make a video on how to talk about your daily routine in English, or how to talk in English in your daily life, so you can write me down in the comment section below. And if you're very serious about it, you can go one step ahead by dividing or categorizing your collection of words into certain groups or categories. So for example, let's say you have a topic called kitchen vocabulary. So under the topic of kitchen vocabulary, you can write down all the words, phrases, adjectives and different kind of sentences related to the topic kitchen vocabulary. You can also write the things that you do every day in your kitchen under the topic of kitchen vocabulary, right? And just like that, you can have many more topics about the things that you do every day in English, divided into different sections in your diary or PC. And believe me, this is going to help you a great deal with your everyday English and language practice. And now comes tip number 3. Tip number 3 is speak for 2 to 3 minutes every day in English. Now this is very simple, very interesting and also very helpful. So what you have to do is you have to decide a topic for yourself. The topic can be anything, but it should definitely be a topic of your interest. Yes. Or if you choose a topic that is really boring and tough for you, so a simple exercise like this will become an uphill task for you and you might ultimately quit, right? For instance, you can talk about traveling, your favorite book that you recently read. You can also talk about your hobbies, weather, friendship, your likes or your dislikes. You can also talk about your favorite gadgets. That's an interesting one, right? Just like that, you can choose any topic of your interest and try to speak on it for at least 2 to 3 minutes a day initially. Later on, when you feel like you are comfortable speaking on any topic for up to 2 to 3 minutes a day, so with time you can also extend your time of speaking for up to 5 minutes or more as per your choice. And whatever you speak, that has to be in English only, not a single word from your native language, alright? And I guess you can surely devote at least this much time every day for your better communication skills. That's a good idea, isn't it? Now comes the bonus tip. But before that, I want to ask you a question. Tell me, what do you think is worse? Trying and failing until you actually improve and become a successful and fluent speaker, or never trying, just crying and complaining why I couldn't do it. I could actually make a difference. I could actually achieve my goals. So in this bonus tip, I want to tell you that you should never belittle yourself. Never consider like you are less than anybody else in the world. You can do anything. And now this brings me to the end of this video. I really hope that you liked this video and also ready to improve your English communication skills with me. And if you did like this video even a little bit, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.